Hello world. Today we are going to see how to use opencv with Python to show image or to read an image and display it on our screen. Here we have the code written, and today we need an image. Let's see for a cat image. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. Right click, then save images. We have to save the image cat.jpeg. Okay, then click save. The image has been saved. Then go back to our codes. Where is cat image? Cat.jpg. Our code, we have 4 lines of code. Our first line is import cv2 to call our import module. Then cv2.read to read the cat.jpeg. Is cat.jpeg. Okay, then read the cat.jpeg and place to a image variable. Then next line we are going to read the same image variable and asking cv2 to display, that is cv2.display. Then it will keep on waiting, the wait key. Yes. Okay, so we can save it. Then we can run it in a terminal. Terminal. Okay, yeah, in home directory we have to go to desktop, and we have to take the list. Okay, x.py is our file name. Python x.py, just run it. Okay, the image has been appeared. To close the image, use Ctrl C or Ctrl Z to close the image. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the end of the tutorial.